Well, hello there, good people. Hi, I'm Jason with Green Country Agroforestry, and I'm out here in the backyard early in the spring getting ready to do a little bit of perennial planting. Now, you may remember these daylilies that we planted last year, and I've got this area designated as sort of a nursery for them. Down here, spaced the way they are, they're going to continue to grow, and this next year we'll have a lot more of these little pups that have formed along the side of these daylily plants. But that's not what we're out here for today. Okay, so last year I grew some garlic on this Hugo mound back here. Now there's a few stragglers that are still there. One right here and right there. I'm not going to be too worried about those. What I'm planting today is in this bucket here. Show you. We have asparagus crown. All right, I have 24 of these asparagus roots with the crowns we're going to put over there on that culture mound. First, I need to do a little bit of prep work. So our mound here is about 4, maybe 5 foot across. Yeah, about 4 foot across. And if I plant them at about 1 foot apart, I can have, what is that, four roots per row going across from north to south or south to north, depending upon which way you want to point yourself. Now, in order to make the space necessary to plant these asparagus roots, we've got a specialized piece of equipment here. Okay, it's just a hoe. And all we're going to do with it is come in here and dig a trench up to 6 inches deep. I'm just going to pull the dirt back to the side, just like that. Once you got your trench, you just put the roots down with the crown part facing up. That. And some of that dirt around the roots. Come over here. Do another one all the way the other side. I've got some of that Virginia creeper vine that's still in here. Just pull that out as I come across it. Got 2 more spots here. That one right there. Yep. You don't want to bury the crown part, this cut part. You don't want to bury that too deep in because it has been cut recently, and that is an opening that disease vectors can get in, bacteria, fungus, etc. Until it takes off and starts growing, the asparagus root is going to be vulnerable. Yeah, the same thing applies to planting things like strawberries. You can have a little bit of covering over them, but you're better off with a covering of mulch than a covering of dirt in most cases. All right, now we've got our roots covered. In this row, we'll move on to the next. Boom. All right, and there we go. We've got 3 separate rows with a little walkway in between them. 4 asparagus plants per row. We'll let these grow and multiply, and here in about 2 years or so, I should have enough to send out your way. All right, so there we have it. We have a new addition to the perennial garden, asparagus, which will join the ranks of things like the daylilies and the walking onions that you see before me here. Well, that's all I've got for you today, good people. As always, if you found the video informative or entertaining, you know what to do. I'll catch you next time.